Hey good people, welcome back to the Gardener's Hands, where we show you how to do farming in the most simplest of ways. So in this video I'll be showing you how to plant spring onions. So there are several ways of planting spring onions, but in this video I'll be showing you one of the ways through regrowing of the stems. So as you can see here, I'm having a stem, two stems of spring onions that have been grown in the farm, right in the farm. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to multiply these stems to increase the growth and yield, even though in a small yield and scale. For you to do that, first of all you'll need a well prepared land. So right just next to it, to these spring onions that you're seeing here, we're going to transplant them into this small piece that we have created here today. So for you to be able to do that, you need to get to around 2 to 3 centimeters above this stem here and remove the leaves from these spring onions, which will be used for cooking in the kitchen, obviously. Then you can go deeper and get into the roots of this stem. Then those ones will be used to transplant them. So watch and see. So already here with me, I've been able to extract some of the stems from this mother stem of this spring onion here, which I'm going to use to transplant. Around 4 of them, which I'm going to use to transplant into a new area to increase the yield and the production of these spring onions. Obviously, these other spring onions, the leaves that have come out of them, will be used in the kitchen. So join me even as I show you how to transplant them. So I had already shown you earlier where I'm transplanting these stems, right just next to their mother stem, just a step away. This is the mother stem, then a step away you find these new stems that I'm transplanting. So obviously you'll dig a hole with your hand, very simply like that. Then you place them, ensure that all the root will be covered by soil. So in the next few minutes I'll be covering these new stems that we are replanting from the mother stem, so that they can grow into their own stem or plant. Already here we have already covered these stems with soil. Ensure that you maintain the 2 to 3 centimeters of the leaves that you maintained while cutting off the leaves to regrow the stems from the mother stem. So you cover them with soil firmly. As you can see, all of these 4 new stems have been covered with soil. So the next step will be watering, and to maintain that this soil is well watered for it to grow and germinate into a productive crop. So that is a very simple way of replanting the spring onions to maintain the productivity and the yield of it. For more information about how to continue the yield or any other plant that we'll be posting on this channel, please subscribe and like, share, also give us your comments. Thank you.